Hey guys, this is MORGBORG here with my first retro unboxing on this channel. This is something I've wanted to do for a while, and so this is the Samsung Comment 2 on Cricket Paygo, which was their prepaid service that they offered for a few years until they were bought out by AT&T. So I got this for about $18 on eBay after taxes and shipping, and I'm just gonna take a look around the box, open it up, and hopefully be able to turn it on. So let's get started. So first, we're going to start with looking at the front side. Here is your Cricket Paygo branding, and here is their special plan that they feature on the front. This is a $35 unlimited talk, text, and web plan that they offered at the time. Of course, you don't find anything like that anymore these days. They'll just have talk, text, and data plans because they have full operating systems now, Android phones at least. This is not an Android phone by any means, so that's why it says web, because this phone has its own web browser. So anyways, this is their plan that they feature on the front. And moving on down here, here's the name of the phone, Samsung Comment 2. This is the successor to the Samsung Comment, of course, which I already have. Apparently that phone is not called the Samsung Freeform 3. User in one of my videos commented correcting me on that, so thank you for that. I don't remember your name right off, so you could just remind me. Anyways, and down here is just a couple of specs. This has a 2.4-inch QVGA display, which is 320 by 240. A 2 megapixel camera on the rear, of course, because this one does not have a front-facing camera. And also it has Bluetooth, which is something you don't find too often on any dumb phones from any time period. And then down here it's just saying that it includes information in Spanish. And then right here you get a picture of the phone, which of course is just a stock photo. Flip inside here, you get more plans. This is the one that I mentioned earlier that was on the front, the unlimited talk, text, and web. You could pause here and read this if you would like to. And over here is just terms and conditions. And then here is just get more from your phone, which is this is about the special plans. This is Cricket has an application on their phone that allows you to get games, ringtones, and wallpapers. On the side here is more Cricket Paygo branding and their slogan, everything you want at a price you'll love. On the top here you just get more Cricket Paygo branding. On the right here, same thing as the left side. No need to go further with that. And then on the bottom, I'm not going to show you, but that's just barcodes for scanning at the register when you initially bought the device. And also, this here, I didn't show this part. This is the actual phone. So this is what I'm going to turn on later. Here it says find out more specifications wise. Here again is the name of the phone. So this phone includes a QWERTY keyboard, obviously, a 2 megapixel camera, which was already stated, a 2.4-inch QVGA screen, mobile web, Bluetooth, and a speakerphone, because of course a phone's got to have a speaker. And then here's just some software features. My home screen, which is probably that customization service mentioned right here. Text messaging, which is important for a QWERTY phone. Games and apps, again mentioned here. And MP3 player / micro SD card slot. So this thing, you would be able to play music on here and also import photos and music from a card you put from another device, which is a handy feature to have. And and show the back, but here again, plan information. Here is just telling you to get airtime, and also right here, activate by visiting mycricket.com or calling 1-800-CRICKET. Of course, this website is just now a redirect page to Cricket's prepaid website. And here it's just telling you to choose your plan. This box contains a battery, the phone of course, a charger, which is micro USB, documentation, which is like your manuals and service information if it includes that, and a micro USB cable. So now let's get into the actual package itself. I'm going to try and do this carefully here without damaging it. There we go. And so it just pops up like so. This package, compared to other old prepaid packaging, this one is actually pretty easy to get into. You don't have to cut anything with scissors. So here's the actual package right here. It looks like here I may have to cut something unless I'm mistaken. Let's see here. So I was just mistaken. It comes right out. And so now we are greeted with this here. I'm gonna have to pop this out. I'm trying my best to not damage the packaging whatsoever, because of course this is an old collectible in my perspective, and as such I want to keep it in nice shape. So here is the phone itself with its plastic wrap and all. Very nice shape. This we'll take a look at later. The back cover was already installed, which we'll have to remove in order to install the battery. Here's a little gray sheet of cardboard. This is a finished side, and this is just normal cardboard for covering up what lies underneath so you don't see it when previewing the device in the store. So on top here is just some booklets. On top is your activation guide. Here it's in Spanish. Yes, it's just telling you how to activate your phone. Here's your terms and conditions. Of course, included in Spanish. And then here's the actual manual for the phone itself. Samsung Comment 2 Quick Reference Manual. And of course, they have it in Spanish as well. They used just normal newspaper-like paper for the inside of it, almost like a magazine. So that's pretty cool. And inside here is the charging brick with the Samsung branding at a USB port. Just a pretty standard one. And then I'm going to take this off camera so I can read it. I'll tell you how much amps it has, or watts. Alright, this is 0.7 amps for output, so it's not that fast, but I imagine it's just good enough for this phone right here, and the battery to come with it. Here's a micro USB cable. Looks just like your standard Samsung cable from the time, included with pretty much any other Samsung phone. And then in here is your battery. This is a 1000 milliamp hour battery, which I'm sure will power this phone just fine. Nothing to cut here, it's just a pull tab. So here's the phone itself and the battery. This thing feels pretty light. I'm sure it probably has little to no juice. So anyways, let's peel off the plastic first before doing anything else. This one already appears to be coming off. Here's the back plastic. Lots of plastic on this thing. They want to make sure your phone stays safe during travel. Just making sure. And then lastly is the screen protector. Very nice. So now we can install our 1000 milliamp hour battery into the phone. And it just fits in like this. And before we try to turn on the phone, I'll show you around the ports and features of this phone from the exterior. So down here is your micro USB charging port. This is your camera button, so you press that and it opens your camera. On top here you have your headphone jack, which appears just to be a 3.5 millimeter size. Here's your thumbnail port for popping off the back cover. On the side here, this is your volume control. Here's your micro SD card slot, which is just a tab. And then on the front here, this is your earpiece. Here's your send and end buttons, back and silence button, the speakerphone button. Here's your two more menu control buttons, and then a QWERTY keyboard. On the back here you have your Samsung branding, which appears to be textured along with the back. You have your 2 megapixel camera, and you have your speakerphone, which has an indent going outward to prevent muffling of the speaker. So let's see if we can turn on the phone. It turns on. Very nice. Not sure how well that's going to pick up. And we are in. It says, please dial 228 to activate your phone. Of course, I'm not going to be able to activate the phone because, as you can see, there's 0 service and the battery appears to be partially charged. So yeah, that is my retro unboxing of the Samsung Comment 2. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll follow up where I take a tour of the phone itself. Peace.